Alright, so the purpose of this video is to use proportions to solve percents, like if you're getting a discount, or if you want to leave a tip, or you get a certain commission off your job. So let's take a look at the first type of problem we can do. 30% of 70. You want to buy a pair of pants that are $70, you get 30% off. How much money are you getting off? We're going to set up a proportion here to solve this. So I'm going to say 30%, so I'm going to say 30 out of 100. I'm going to turn that into a fraction. 30 out of 100 is equal to 30%. 30 out of 100 is equal to what out of 70? Out of 70, because I'm saying this is going to be a proportion. 30 compared to 100 is equal to what amount of 70? Okay, I'm going to cross multiply here. I have 100x is equal to, let's just use blue, 30 times 70. 3 times 7 is 21. Put 2 zeros. 2100, I am going to then divide by 100. Divide by 100. And x is equal to $21. You get $21 off those pair of pants. So let's say another situation. Let's say you got a concert tickets for 45 bucks, but you got $27 off. And you want to know, well, what percentage of that is, what percentage is 27 of 45? What I can do is I can create another proportion. This time I have 27, and I know that it is out of 45. And I'm wondering, well, what percentage out of 100 is that going to be? So I'm going to say x out of 100. Again, I'm going to cross multiply to figure out what my x would be. I'm going to say 45x is equal to 27 times 100, which is going to be 2700. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 45, 45, 45, and then if I do the calculations, x is equal to 60%. That means 27 is 60% of 45. All right, our last example, we have 15 is 10% of what? Let's say you make YouTube videos and YouTube says you get to keep 10% of the money that your YouTube video makes, and you got $15. You might be thinking, well, if I got 10% and that was 15 bucks, how much money did my YouTube video make? Well, if I set up a proportion, 15 out of what? 15 over x is equal to 10 out of, let's see, do 10 out of 100. All right, so 15 times 100 gives me, I'm going to cross multiply, 1500, and that is equal to 10x. I'm going to divide both sides by 10, and x is equal to 150. So your YouTube video made 150 bucks. You got 10% of that. So that means you got $15. So this is how you use proportions to solve problems involving percents.